Hey everyone, it's Abe with Cali Raised LED, and today we're going to show you how to wire accessories to your hybrid Tacoma or Tundra. And now in this example, we're going to be wiring up our Cali Raised ditch lights, and we're going to be using Cali Raised harnesses as well. So we're going to show you two different ways that you can wire up these ditch lights. And now the most common way to wire these is with a Cali Raised pre-made dual leg wiring harness. And so on the end of it, it has two DT connectors. These plug right into your ditch lights. In the middle, you have your power relay and your positive and negative. And on the other end, you have your switch, which you can disconnect this and use an OEM style Cali Raised switch. So if we were going to use a dual leg wiring harness on our hybrid vehicle, we are going to find this fuse box that's located right behind your air intake. So you're going to go ahead and pop this out, set the lid to the side, and then we're going to locate our positive terminal and our ground bolt that we're going to be using. And as a quick note, it is best practice to disconnect either your positive or your negative before doing any of this wiring, just to be safe. So looking at the fuse box from the top down, we have one terminal over here on the fender side, and that is going to be our positive terminal we're going to use. So we're going to take our wiring harness, we have our positive, negative, and our relay right here. And so the relay will kind of just tuck to the side at the end of this. But in terms of our positive and negative, our positive is going to be tightened right onto that bolt there, and our negative is going to be tightened to the fender wall over here using the ground bolt back in here. As you can see, we have our positive terminal right here and our negative ground wire over here on the side next to the reservoir. After you connected your positive and negative to this fuse box, go ahead and connect the rest of the harness to your ditch lights, and then run your wiring harness through the firewall to your OEM style switch. And now in this scenario, we are going to be using the aux switches in the vehicle. And so the harness for that is right back here behind the driver's side headlight. And so you'll take your harness from your glove box. You should have one of these and one other harness in there. And so we went ahead and made a wiring harness to the 5-amp wiring. And so you have your white is your positive and your white and black is your negative. And so we went ahead and ran our two DT wires to these two wires on the pre-made harness. All we have to do is plug this in to the harness down here, run these to our ditch lights, zip tie them up, clean them up, that kind of thing. And then now our ditch lights will be on our aux 3 switch, which is a 5-amp in the cab. This will be pretty tough to see, but I do have my connector here, and the other female connector is just right over there on the other end. So I'll just go ahead and plug this in. Now we're connected. I'll run these safely and all tied up to my ditch lights, and then these ditch lights will be on my aux 3 switch. We got it plugged in. Now we're going to go ahead and tie this all up so it's not sitting on the engine. We're going to zip tie it back here and over there on the side, and then we'll be good to go. And that's how you do any wiring or accessoring on a hybrid vehicle. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to the video, and don't forget to visit CaliRaisedLED.com.